Every single rent-to-rent deal I've done, every single time I bought a one-bedroom house to turn into a two-bedroom house, or every single time I bought a house to turn into multiple flats, I've found all of those deals exactly the same way.
Now, so here's a question. How do you find the flats? So what's your best way of doing it? Are you on Rightmove? Are you making relationships with agents? Are you sending out letters? What for you has worked the best for renovation required flats in London?
I read this book once called The One Thing, which talks about this whole 80-20 Pareto principle, which is do 20% of the things which get you 80% of the result, right? So for me, doing the 20% which gets 80% of the result is Rightmove, because people on there are looking to sell their property right now. Plus, Rightmove doesn't cost you any money. It's free. Whereas the thing with direct to vendor is you got to design the leaflets, and then you got to print the leaflets. That's a cost. Design is a cost. Distribution is a cost. And after all of that, you might get someone who says, yeah, I'm interested in selling my property, and then there's no floor plans, there's no pictures, and you got to go and see them. So there's a lot more time cost up front, designing, printing, distributing, speaking to people, going to see the property with no floor plans. I'm not saying that direct to vendor doesn't work, because obviously people make it work. All I'm saying is it takes a lot more time up front to potentially get something. Whereas I think Rightmove takes virtually no time. There's so much supply on there that I would rather just go to Rightmove. Plus the sifting process is much, much faster, because I've got like a criteria, like a checkbox or something, right? So when I go into Rightmove, I sort of go through my checkbox and I sift through things very, very fast. Now imagine direct to vendor, no floor plans, no pictures, and you're asking them questions like, how big is the kitchen? Like, how big is the living room? They're not going to measure it up for you. But now if this was in London, I would have to go to London every single time. And then if the floor plan didn't work, I've just get ready, go to London, 3-4 hours gone. On Rightmove, I can do this in 3 seconds because I've got the floor plans and I've got the pictures. So it's more time efficient, it's cost efficient. So I've always gone Rightmove.